Today we are going to be learning about 2D and 3D shapes, but first we're going to have a look at some numbers. What number is this? 1, 0, 10, 6, 12, 20, 8, 11, 1. Well done if you got any of those numbers. Now I'm going to clap and you're going to count how many claps I do. But remember to stop when I stop. Ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Stop. How many claps did I do? That's right, I did 7 claps. This time I'm not going to count with you, you've got to count on your own. Ready? How many claps did I do? Did you stop when I stopped? If you said I did 10 claps, you were right. Well done. Now we're going to count up from 12 all the way to 20. Ready? 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Well done. Now we're going to count down, starting at 5. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and 0. Well done. Now I'm going to have a look at some shapes. Now I've got lots of different shapes here, but there are some things that are the same about them and some things that are different. Some of my shapes are 2D, and some of my shapes are 3D. Now, my shapes that are 3D are big and fat, or some of them are small and fat, like these ones. And then some of them that are 2D are really flat, so I can flatten them with my hands. These ones are 2D. So my fat ones are 3D and my flat ones are 2D. Let's see if we can sort them. I know I can't flatten this one in my hand, so it must be 3D. So this is my 3D circle. I can flatten this one in my hand, so I know that this one is 2D. It is flat. Have a think about this one. Is this fat or flat? If you said it's fat, you are right. And because it's fat, we know it is 3D. This one is flat, so we know it is 2D. This one is not flat, it is fat, so it goes in the 3D circle. This one is flat, so it must be 2D. I can see that both of these are flat, so I put them in my 2D circle. Now we've got another 3D shape and another 3D shape, and I think 2 more 3D shapes. All of these are fat shapes. Let's have a look at all of the ones that we've got left. Now I don't think any of these are fat 3D shapes. I think they are all flat 2D shapes. So I'm going to put them all in this circle. Today we're not looking at our 2D shapes, we're going to concentrate on our 3D shapes. So I'm going to move this circle out the way so we can look at some of the properties and think about some of the names of our 3D shapes. Now, one of our 3D shapes we see quite a lot. We see this one in lots of different places. This looks like an orange, some of them look like balls, and this one is a sphere. Now, I hear lots of children say Sophia, but it's not a Sophia, it's a sphere. Our sphere doesn't have any corners, it doesn't have any edges or flat faces, it just goes round and round and round, just like a ball. This one is our sphere. Then we have one that does go round at the top like a circle and round at the bottom, but this one is called a cylinder. So our cylinder has a circle at the top a circle at the bottom, and it goes round and round in the middle. This shape doesn't have any corners, but it has a flat circle at the bottom and a flat circle at the top. That's our cylinder. Then we've got two shapes that look very similar, but they're not the same. A little bit like how a square and a rectangle look similar, but they are not the same. This one is a cube. Cube. Now we see cubes lots because they look like dice. A cube has lots of faces, lots of edges, and lots of corners. Maybe we can count together. So we've got one flat face at the bottom, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So we have six flat faces on a cube. Then we have lots and lots of corners. Let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We have 6 faces and 8 corners. So there is lots on a cube. Now our cuboid is very similar. So we have 6 faces and we have 8 corners, but all the shapes on this one are squares, but only 2